I don't know whether I should be excited or terrified. Actually, that's not true. I know I shouldn't be excited. That's not an appropriate adult response. G'day, welcome to Mad Scientist Prospecting. My name's Stuart Chignell, and today I have an opportunity to be mad. Because I think I've discovered a mine shaft right there. And this is my house. So have a listen to this. Oh, by the way, Matt, that's that's your pay dirt. Let's get it in even closer. You ready? Here we go. I don't know if it's coming across on the film and on the sound, but the second sight sounds decidedly hollow. To my eye, looking at it, not through the camera, but just looking at it, the ripples on the second sight in the bucket seem a lot larger, and there's definitely not as much ground movement in the sieve at the first sight versus the second. Now that's not too surprising because that first sight is here, just with the bedrock right there. I did try it over here. Okay. Just right outside the front door, and there's a little bit more movement there, but it's dirt, not bedrock. But it doesn't sound hollow, whereas here, it really, it really sounds hollow. The question now is what to do. I'm gonna jump on GeoVic, but I'm pretty certain there's no record of a mine here. So nothing on GeoVic. This is my house just here. There's a mine over here, but that's a ways away. Which doesn't mean anything, of course, because, well, we know that the GeoVic site, the records aren't complete. There's lots of areas of mining activity that aren't recorded on GeoVic. So the question is, what the hell do I do now? The responsible adult in me wonders how dangerous is that capping? There's a bit of movement there, so it's not 100% solid. That probably needs to be checked out. But the mad scientist, crazy person in me thinks, let's have a look and let's see what's down there. So I need some advice. I need some suggestions. Like, what do I do here? So yeah, I welcome your input in the comments, and yeah, I've got no idea what to do next. So please, let's have a chat.